Happy Summer Solstice 2018. Hey guys, Trevor 7. It is June 21st, first day of summer, and I thought we'd kick this season off by knocking out an old video request from February of 2015. This is in response to a Turning Pages video that I did using an Encyclopedia of the Occult, and that word cult hiding in there scares people and kind of ruffled some feathers, and I heard a lot of flack from the Christian community, and I'd like to see you try to do that with a Bible, and all sorts of complaints. I wish we had a wider point of view, and why is there no audio, and why are you propping the page up, and all sorts of complaints. So I thought I'd go back and do this, and I really have no problem working with the Bible because I study the Bible and read the Bible and actually have a newfound love for the Bible once I started understanding that a lot of it was mysticism, which is right down my alley, and the reason I was reading the Occult Encyclopedia. Once you understand things like the deserts referring to the carnal mind, and the mountains referring to the higher self, and when you hear the number 7, they're usually talking about chakras or divine intervention. The Bible makes a lot more sense. So enough of that. I'm not going to be a preacher, but if you want to learn more about the Bible and the mysticism part of it, I'd recommend Santos Bonacci, Bill Donahue, and who's that other guy? John St. Julian. Those are all three pretty good guys on YouTube. Alright, so on with this demonstration. Now, there's a few things I want you to know. First of all, I have the windows open. I'm including the audio here. I don't know if you can hear it. But at the end, when I play my little highlights reel, I will just keep the audio up and no music so you can hear it all. But I do need to explain myself a little bit because it's a little deceiving. It looks a little bit like levitation, and I wish it was levitation. But actually what I think's going on here, I had 3 no-hitters with the windows closed. But when I opened the windows, I could kind of get a little bit of this result. Ruffle the page and then pull the ambient energy, and voila, we get a Bible page turn. So I think it's a combination of like Aerokinesis and Telekinesis. There's an almost turn for you. In regards to this being, demonic or other spirits doing this or anything like that, I think that just sounds so far from the truth, because when I do telekinesis, I feel a sense of unity and harmony. I don't feel anything negative about it at all. It feels very natural to me now. I've been doing it so long. And also, like if I eat a bunch of pasta or potatoes or something like that and try to do telekinesis, it doesn't work. So what does that mean? Demons are allergic to pasta or something? I think this is all perfectly natural in a metaphysical sort of way. I think we've just barely tapped into what we're capable of doing. We've just been stuck in this matrix or the machine for so long that we stopped trying to enlighten ourselves and expand our abilities and pursue our desires. I think it's just a matter of who's willing to work at it and who isn't, who has a desire. Some people have no desire to even look at videos like this, and you're obviously not that person. So if you're worried about it being demonic or bad for you, I've had nothing but good experiences. Yes, I've had the creeps a few times, and actually this Turning Pages thing still looks creepy to watch. I'm looking at it here while I'm doing the commentary. So it is kind of spooky. It's into unknown territories, But honestly, I don't think there's anything to be afraid of, and I've had no negative effects. In fact, quite the opposite. I feel like I've become a better person by learning telekinesis. So anyway, I'm jabbering here, getting way off track. I don't know what you want to know, but I've told you what I think's happening. I think I'm using telekinesis to just kind of ruffle the edges of the pages, and then the ambient energy that it's pulling through the windows that are open are helping me turn the page. And speaking of ambient energy, the energy this time of year when everything is just, in maximum grow mode and everything, and all this extra solar energy, it just feels alive. I'm almost betting I couldn't do this in the dead of winter. And for those of you who think everything should be done in a controlled environment, I can guarantee I couldn't do this under glass. Not based on what I've learned to do so far. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great summer, and hope you'll stay tuned to this channel. We got a new T7 members compilation coming and a subscribers compilation coming. It's going to be awesome, and more demonstrations for me to come as well. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Trevor 7, good day, God bless, and namaste.